naging crush ko si Anthony. Alam niyo ba yun?
Si ate girl?
Si Anthony.
Oh,
Ayaw binang bilipin kung di ka pa handa.
we're in the lazy river. I'm on the found $10. We show that on the How are you hanging in there? That's my first time. Not like you enjoyed it. Wait. What? They want to be on.
Can I scare you?
No.
Should I think you guys are fucking fine? Like,
Wait, why did we go this way?
I don't
It's
know.
on the other side.
We've never been there. Ow. Look how my... Dalagang Pilipina ganito.
Isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina.
Ah, fail. Update, we're eating. Okay, how do you... So here's mine, here's his, here's Steven's, we got the same thing. There's Joey, and there's Kalanja. Hi guys, we're currently at the gay parade. Raquel and Rose is here. There's more.
I feel like Mark's gonna be one of those drag queens in the future. Yeah, she's my big.
Vlog takeover.
Hi kids. What do you call your fans?
Baklas.
Baklas? Hi Baklas. Alright, so we are walking the quiet streets of, I don't fucking know. They're probably gonna get gangbanged, but it's
Yep.
okay, you know. Yeah, she wants that. She wants multiple dicks at the same time. I don't know what you're talking about.
That big thing.
The bridge? Oh, the one that looks like a dildo? Yeah, that's Salesforce. That's like the tallest building.
Oh my god.
Yeah, my family says this looks like a giant dildo. You could have gone on top of there. I think we could still go on the top, the head.
Why did we go this way?
Oh my, are you scared?
That would be amazing.
Yeah, it's so cool. You get a nice view. Anyway, if you're coming, I shouldn't stop there. If you're going to SF, hit me up as your tour guide. $100 an hour.
Bitch, I wouldn't even do that.
Bitch, that's cheap. Yeah, honestly, I don't even know where I'm going actually. I only know Mission District and like Richmond and Sunset.
This is how we
I don't like the
going
downtown.
on adventures.
Yeah, this is great. It's fine.
This is like the sketchy part.
Oh, I should have asked my friend to tour guide us. She knows everything. She's been living here since she was a baby. Oh well. She's lost. She go to what?
Cause you know Amform, the show in Disney?
Yeah.
You know how it was based off of San Francisco?
It was? Oh my god, it was!
Yeah.
She doesn't go to Amform, she goes to Lowell. By the way, that's the highest school here. I go there. Oh yeah, that was at like the second season or something like that when they got like, oh my god, I keep wiggling it like.
Why does that look like the Jessie building? No, it doesn't.
Where? The one right there.
The brown one?
There, like right.
What is this?
Farthest
Describe the
one.
color.
Oh, the one that has glass, but then the brown tooth thingy.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
It kind of looks like.
How would
I
you
know Jesse
zoom
was filmed
in?
in New York.
Yeah. No, not in New York. It was filmed in LA.
No way.
Yeah, way.
It was just a fucking studio.
Yeah, duh. That's how everything is. Because if they film things in the actual city, they would have to close so many blocks. You think Disney has the money for that? Yeah. You think they have money for that? They're only Disney, you know.
that's
Disney
true.
sucks now. They suck ass.
Oops. Ah, that's the thumbnail.
tea. Exactly.
That's the tea.
Exactly. Honestly, I only watch Cartoon Network at this point, and Netflix, and Hulu. I have also Hulu too.
Watching American Horror Story.
Wait, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I don't know.
A stripper.
You haven't.
That's you. No, I don't know what I'm doing with my life.
Me too.
I found.
That's
You're
how my
just
life
sucking
is.
dick. That's all you're
I'm just
doing.
trying it
I
out.
get money out of it. It's fine.
You're basically a hooker.
No, you just told me when you get paid.
So walk down here. You wanna walk to this street? Yeah, you can.
Can we?
Yeah.
But
It's just blocked off for cars. If we get caught, like, what are they gonna do? We're only like little kids.
Just like, oh, this.
Yeah, we'll be the weird bystanders. There are like, what?
The Asian bystander.
Yeah. Why are we wait? Why don't we just go around? Ooh.
Yeah.
Did you buy your camera?
I forgot we had the same birthday.
I did
No
too.
way.
Yeah. She like fought me over this. Like, why'd you steal my birthday? Blah, 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 blah. I'm like, shut the fuck up. Like,
I'm still a year older.
yeah. She's like, it's my birthday because I was born. Blah blah blah.
2004.
Yeah. I was like, okay.
Yeah, you can practically drive now. Or you
Yeah. I'm learning how to. But my short ass looks like an 8-year-old.
Oh yeah, you learn how to drive? Oh, that's fun. I wish I could learn how to drive already, but I can't drive around here.
Oh shit, I didn't see. My dumbass.
Yes.
You guys are trying to walk all the way through, they're going to stop you at the right where that second barricade is. They'll
Okay.
stop you, make you come back and go around. So if you're trying to go all the way through, you just got to go around because this block's closed.
Looking back, we didn't really walk that
Hell no.
Do.
Yeah, probably human. But fuck, right there, you know?
Are we supposed to be showing the good sides of LA? I mean, Sessa?
Good sides? No, it's okay. This is the non-gentrified,
The untold
alright? Yes.
Of the gay pride parade.
Like, probably the good sides are gentrified and all the places are kicked out, you know? The locals, and that's fucked up.
Yes.
Like the veranda. Oh my god, I heard about it because my,
Oh my
my sister still lives in Concord. I was like, what the fuck happened there? That's why I moved out, because I'm broke. I'm broke, bitch.
Miranda's good now. Like, it's okay. It's a good hangout spot.
No. There's a lot of Filipinos.
Yeah, I bet.
There's so many more now. And I see, have you seen it? Like Koreans like going to the Starbucks near.
Korean?
Yes, near
Mark
DC.
waits there, okay?
Oh my god, you stalker.
They do like their homework. There's like, oh my god, they just look so.
Mark waits there to find his love.
Do you want your love life to be like a Korean drama? Yeah, he's the broke bitch. He's the CEO.
Especially because I'm fucking dumb and like.
I am cause she different. Oh my god, these are so heavy. Those like where you go at the side and you're like, whoa.
It's your time to shine.
Yeah, this is your, what's
Your
that
day.
called? Red carpet moment. Red carpet moment. Hi kids.
We're at the, what's this club?
The mall.
Oh my god. Damn it, younger than all of
What's the name?
It's called Westfield. Have y'all ever gotten a Musically? You were into that.
What? Musically?
Yeah. Cause you're like, That's true. Don't you still love that boy?
He's grown irrelevant.
I still never cared.
I don't like white dudes now.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
From my experience, adulthood.
Probably. She's like, damn. This doesn't satisfy her needs, okay? Lady got needs.
Yes, I know. I need BBC needs.
Yeah.
Put a lot of shit up. No lie, I haven't eaten breakfast.
Okay, let's eat. What the fuck?
And we got more sick when when a whole bunch of people started starting
Damn, you're so sensitive. What the fuck? What about like gangbang? You're getting sensitive there? Oh, so you wanna go in there?
I guess.
Do you not like her anymore? You said she's crazy.
Well, from my experience, she seems crazy. Here's the line.
Oh, sorry.
What was your experience? Story time.
I already told the story.
Conspiracy theory.
She was talking to herself the whole time. I got out of class and I thought she was talking on the phone.
Get out and get my things now. Fuck. Okay, sis.
I can't put that in the...
Yeah, don't be talking shit, man. You're gonna... Good reputation, right?
I know.
Oh, that's shit, yeah. Hey guys, we just finished watching a movie.
It's like when Rajan threw.
Who the fuck is Rajan?
Just told the motorcycle guy so.
Like when Rajan threw him away.
Yeah.
He didn't care for him. What's so sad about that?
Because we don't know Rajan. Okay, we know these characters.
Rajan. Nah. That was so sad though. Like that was shady. Nah, she's fucking
You like the sad moments. You just hear me laughing.
Harmony's a little bitch though.
Yeah. She was like.
She's like, nah. And Gabby was like, fuck.
Oh my.
That was her whole life. She was.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I feel like
I felt her emotions.
We're going the wrong way.
Oh shit.
Bitch goes, who's Rajan? I could not stop laughing because I was laughing the whole time.
It was a good.
It's a good movie if the
Is that the last Toy Story?
Yeah.
It'd be a good
Wow.
movie if it was actually sad.
It was. You just have no heart.
Yeah, it was. I haven't watched like the past 2 movies, but like it got me.
No, Toy Story 3 was so sad. You're gonna cry. Like tears.
Wait, what happened?
Andy grows up. Andy grows up and then he was done.
Yeah, he like wait, hold on. Like the movie was gonna pause for me just to fix my bra. Man, I'm the type of kid to throw my toys away. I'd be Rajan 2.0.
Oh my god, they have a Windows store.
Is that mall closing?
Oh, Sephora.
I think so.
It's too early to close.
I think it's because it's a big mall.
Sunday.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
too.
true. I have a crush on Rajan. Perfect.
I thought you liked black people.
He looked
He's
fun.
an exception.
He looked.
A redhead.
Let's go outside. We look have a lot of time.
Wait, what time is it?
It's 6.
24.
Go this way. We'll go escalator there.
I can't.
With
I
Rajan.
really have no heart.
Brian.
Did you not hear me giggling and laughing?
Yes, we did hear you.
I don't get it. Nah, it's not. So fake.
What?
Because it's a cartoon,
Yeah,
you
it's a
dumbass.
freaking
Well,
animated.
that's why I'm not
Oh
crying.
my god.
Well, that's why I'm not
But
crying.
you couldn't like feel it, like their like
No.
Bro, did he ever ask you a question? It was like in elementary. He's like, are you a sympathetic or like sympathetic crier? I'm like, what the fuck is that? He's like, I am. It's like, okay. And? Oh my god.
I literally have no feelings.
Remember? No, yeah, remember you were crying 5th grade? Everyone was crying in that class. Do you remember that?
I cried because Jeffrey said he wanted to shoot himself.
What?
No. Okay, so you know how we had to run the mile?
Bitch got canceled.
Because they were crying. Like, I wasn't crying, but
That's-
She gave us food, thinking that food was gonna calm us down.
yeah, but they were all crying. Like everyone, like one person started crying, and then everyone.
We're closing. Well, the store. Mall.
Daddies, we're in a closed.
Yes, we're in a closed mall. We're getting kicked out. What did the guard?
Me in the movies.
What did the guard say? Like move.
Yeah, there's
No,
an exit over
the
here.
yeah.
Oh.
I wonder how the person next to us felt.
I know.
Lots of oh goddamn
He
time.
like mugged us when the movie was done. He like looked at me.
Are you still vlogging?
Yeah, it's like.
City life?
Wait, I don't.
Put music over it. Just
Yeah,
keep
that
editing.
vlogging music, you know, like.
Dun, dun, just keep recording. Just keep
know,
do a
like-
time lapse.
Yeah, I probably will, cause like a lot of footage.
And plus a lot of like me
Not
talking.
talking.
Yeah.
Yeah, like not a lot of talking.
No, and her cursing about
Yeah.
her fucking clothes.
Like there's no explanation. The people watching this are gonna be confused.
You
as
have to
fuck.
explain on my hose.
Yeah.
Disney.
Oh, there's Barney. Just kidding.
Where?
There's Barney.
Disney.
Trash. Where?
Up there.
Disney.
Right when we
Barney.
were talking about Disney.
Okay, now I see cars.
Yeah, because the parade's over.
No way. So they block like everything.
Not everything, just like market
Oh.
and like small roads.
Since I forgot to film my outro in San Francisco because there's too many people, some weird people actually. So we're currently back in Concord and we're heading to Todos Santos because we couldn't find anyone to pick us up yet.